Here we go, welcome to AKG mics unboxing video. So we're gonna open the box first of all, and you're gonna see there is some package there, so we're gonna take them off. And we have the first mic condenser P170, which I think it's a great microphone, and I saw a lot of reviews, and P120 as well. Such a great microphone. So take everything off. Oh, here you go, the trio all together. And we're gonna open the first P170. We're gonna see what's inside. It took me a while to open the box, to be honest, but I left it there, didn't cut anything. So you can see. So instructions, who really needs instructions? Nobody. More instructions, no. Here we go, best part, the microphone. It's actually really small. I thought it was bigger, but I think it does the job. So anyway, I'm gonna record something real soon with it, so you can guys listen to that. And here we go, my favorite one, P120. I got so many good feedbacks. More instructions, no. Out. Here we go. It's a huge microphone. I love it. Has so many options, and for home recording, it's so nice. It smells good. Nice. Here we go. Now you can see the trio together. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the fireplace in the back. Subscribe and like for more. Thank you.